A clap switch is an electronic device that turns an appliance on or off when it detects the sound of a clap. It works using a sound sensor, usually a microphone, an amplifier, and a control circuit that recognizes the sharp noise pattern of a clap.
How it works: microphone picks up the sound. Amplifier boosts the signal. Sound processing circuit detects whether the sound matches a clap, short, loud pulse. Flip-flop or microcontroller toggles the output. Relay or transistor switches the connected device light, fan, etc.
Where it's used: home automation lights, fans, DIY electronics, projects, assistive devices for people with mobility issues, toys, and novelty gadgets.
Today, me and my group will be demonstrating our bomb defusal minigame. This is a project for Spcc Electronics 3 class. We are Bsit third year students. I'm here with my teammate, builder and coder of this. Let's begin. Let's test it. Alright, LCD is ready. Press any key, start diffusal. There we go. Looks good. Please demonstrate it for us, Jaynard. Okay, bomb diffusal. Module 1.
Morse.
Yes,
Third time.
Morse.
So it's 3.
Okay.
The Morse of 3 is dot, hold, and hold.
Amazing. Jaynard memorizes it.
The next one is save, which is we use the potentiometer. This one. We look at the lights, the LEDs. If they lit up, that's correct.
Yes.
The red lit up.
Okay.
Just hold it there, that's correct. But there's a twist here. One of the LEDs shouldn't lit up.
Okay.
Okay? All of these lit up, but it's not solved yet. You need to you need to make sure that one is okay. This is 1 0 1 1 1 1 so it's 5 7 7. Okay. You have 3 lives here, so it's 5 9. What again? 5 9 1.
Okay, come on.
Okay, bro. It's 8 5 4. 8 5 4.
Okay, and last module, come on. I don't want to explode, JN.
It's one.
Yay, success! Jaynard defused it. Awesome, Jan. Awesome. Well done.